Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the tablet is unlocked and already connected to the Wi-Fi network whose password you need. Once done, open Settings and go to Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi. This is where connections live. If you plan to extract saved networks, enable developer options now via About Tablet, tap build number 7 times. This gives access to tools. Make sure you have a file manager or a terminal app installed. You will need it in the next steps. Next, you locate the saved Wi-Fi configuration that stores the password. If you have root, use a file manager to open /data/misc/Wi-Fi and find WPA supplicant. Conf. It lists SSID and PSK values. If you do not have root, connect the tablet to a PC with ADB and pull the file, or on Android 10 and newer, go to Settings Wi-Fi Saved Networks. Select the network and choose Share to display a QR code, which reveals the password when scanned. These methods reveal the how and where of retrieval. Finally, reveal the password. Read the PSK field in the config file or scan the QR code with your phone to display the plain text password. Make sure to copy it carefully, since Wi-Fi passwords are case-sensitive. If you cannot find the file, check that you have proper root or ADB permissions and confirm the Android version supports QR sharing. If retrieval fails, log into the router's admin page or perform a network reset. That resolves most permission and sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.